In today's episode of the Battle Lab, we've built a scenario called Strong Point. Strong Point requires that one team occupy and defend a fixed position in a built-up area while the other team assaults. And there will be a time limit of 15 minutes.
A lot of the same. We're going to try to get out even further, try to get at them as soon as they enter the playing field. That's our plan.
Yeah, so this episode is going to be called The Running Man. So really focus on speed and violence of action and getting breaches open to enable the drones to get inside and eliminate the threats, because the other team's doing a great job using cover. So we're going to run right up the gut, have one man open windows and breaches on the target building to enable the drones to get inside. And then we're going to try to stay alive. All right, I'm going to start with like a slow kind of jog there, and then it's fucking sprint.
All right, so at this point, I'm thinking with X-Ray team, we've got to do something audacious. We've got to figure out how to approach building 9 in a way that Jerad and Alpha team haven't thought about. So we're not going to waste any time, and we are running right up the middle. We are going to use as much speed as security, and we're going to try to get on that southeast side and then get in that building and ultimately get some sort of foothold, get the drones in and clear it.
In a charge right up the middle, what is your technology stack doing?
So the drones right now are trying to suppress and keep them indoors, and then also they're ready. As soon as we create a human breach, we get a window open, they know to get that drone with the payload inside and eliminate anybody in building 9.
They're coming in hot, coming in hot.
You hit? I'm good. All right, keep fragging.
Yeah, drones did a great job distracting, right? Like you saw it right there. I'm too busy worried about what the drone can see and not worried about them maneuvering on the target.
Stand by. I got one on my right.
Hey, I want left.
Hold.
Right in front of you. Right in front of you. All right, fall back or you go back to that one right there. Hey.
Another win for A-Team there. We'll have to see in the hot wash how it all played out in the woods, but again, I think that was the right strategy, trying to get at them at distance. Well, I think they had a chance to get both their guys close to the target building, but they were unable to effectively make breach. So that's what we wanted. It was a good strategy.
Alpha team won the round. They eliminated our ground force, so we couldn't take the building. In order to accomplish the mission, they won it because they were able to maneuver on us. They reacted well to our change of plan. We got stalled as we were opening the breaches to try to get the drones in because the drones started to have video issues. Tech failed ultimately.
So Alpha takes this one again. Obviously, we're demonstrating that defense is a massively advantaged position, no matter what the scenario, no matter what the tech stack. But what are the main learnings for Alpha team coming out of 4 straight wins?
Don't break with what we know works when it comes to tactics. Just because they may have an advantage in technology doesn't mean we have to start changing things up. We know it worked in the past, let's see if that continues to work, and as it turns out, it did.
Yep.
Having the extra drone detection and video pirating technology did help us, but in the end, it was about how well are we postured and how well are we communicating with each other.
Phil, X-Ray team, you ran basically 4 pretty different approaches, the 4th one being maybe the most audacious, the most kind of bold, the most different, all trying to weave in tech, synchronize it with the humans moving around in the battle space. But 4 straight losses, like what are the main learning points? Is it just an impossible scenario?
Yeah, so I think it's how important humans are in clearing restricted terrain buildings, right? And how important they are to that. And it's how do you synchronize tech with it, because it increases the complexity. So even though you have all that, it doesn't mean you have this like umbrella of security or lethality. It's got to be synchronized well with the humans that are going to have to physically clear that terrain and hold it, right? Speed, we proved that speed and violence of action is like super important and starts to give you an advantage, but you have to maintain the momentum. Ultimately, the defensive posture stalled us.
Yep.
And that was just enough time for them to then collapse on us. We lose that momentum, and then they regain the initiative back from us, even though we had that initial surprise and violence of action.
Well, that's round 4. Goes to Alpha again, 4-0. Let's go to the next one.